Think you're nailing push-ups? Most people are secretly wrecking their shoulders. Here's how to do a push-up correctly. Hands under shoulders, core tight, and elbows at 45 degrees.
Focus on your shoulder blades. Slightly retract and depress them to protect your shoulders and activate your upper back. To take it further, control your descent and engage your muscles fully. Think of your body like a connected chain, from shoulders to core to legs. Now it's your turn. Try 10 flawless push-ups, focusing on every cue: tight core, tucked elbows, and shoulder blade control.
Here's a small tweak that makes a huge difference. Imagine your core as the foundation and your shoulder blades as the stabilizing pillars. Great job! Remember, perfect form beats high reps. Keep your core tight, elbows tucked, and shoulder blades stable, and every push-up counts.
Now feel where the power really comes from. Your chest, triceps, and core working together like one machine.
A perfect push-up isn't just arms, it's your whole body working as one solid unit. Fix your alignment, and suddenly everything works together. Smooth, strong, and pain-free.